Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be making a low budget buttercream. Remember, this buttercream, you can make it with any type of margarine or butter. It's not going to cost you much. Okay, so let's dive into the main video. Here I have my 200 grams of margarine. I'm using super delicious margarine. Then here I have icing sugar. I have 400 grams of icing sugar. Okay, then I will also be using my flavor. Remember, you can use any flavor of your choice. Okay, it's not compulsory that you will use vanilla flavor. Go ahead to use any flavor of your choice that you have available for this buttercream recipe. Okay, remember, this buttercream, you can use it to crumb coat your cake. You can as well use it for your buttercream decoration, or you can use it for your cake filling. Okay, it is very easy to make and it is very simple. What you need is just 3 ingredients for this buttercream recipe. Okay, I will go ahead to sieve my icing sugar just to make sure I remove the lumps and the ones that are already thick inside. I mean, the ones that looks like seed inside. This is the reason why you sieve it. You need to sieve it so that you will remove the one that are lumps and the ones that are not good. Okay, because when you don't sieve it, it's going to affect the texture of your buttercream. So do you want that creamy and fluffy and smooth buttercream? Please don't forget to sieve your icing sugar. Okay, so guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscription is free. It is totally free. You don't need to pay before you subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. And if you're watching this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please do not be stingy with your thumbs up. Thumbs up this video, like this video. Okay, if you can share this video, please do well to help me share this video so that other people can see this video. Okay, remember the process. You need to cream your butter or your margarine until it is very light and fluffy before you will go ahead to start adding your icing sugar. Okay, make sure you cream it very well. If you have a mixer, feel free to use your mixer. I love making things easy, especially for people that do not have mixer. That's why I always make my recipes easy for them. I'm not using mixer for this recipe, so therefore if you don't have a mixer, it is very easy for you to do. Okay, but if you have mixer, go ahead, feel free to make use of your mixer. Okay, I will go ahead to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Like I said before, feel free to use any flavor of your choice for this recipe. You can use milk flavor, you can use strawberry, you can use butterscotch, any flavor of your choice. Go ahead and add into your buttercream. Okay,